Trust me, nobody's coming.
What's with this defeatist attitude?
Never mind. You won't understand.
Okay, just try this.
I had a bad day, okay? A terrible, horrible, totally wrecked day. Elliot Gibson texted pictures of me in a butt thong to like everybody in school. I burned down the sign stuff with Becky Gibson's love notes. My best friend told me best friends with Phil because they go to the same dumb psychopharmacologist. And I didn't get Australia for a country of the world for invitation. Paul got Australia, and he doesn't even care about Australia.
What's your freak fascination with Australia?
It's just an awesome place, okay? You can surf there in the winter, everybody's cool and happy and not mean, and one day I'm gonna move there.
Not everybody's happy and nice in Australia.
Never mind, that's not the point.
Okay, what is the point?
The point is, you never understand what I'm talking about. You act like I'm making a gigantic deal over everything when things are gigantically screwed up.
Big deal. You had a bad day.
It's not just today, it's every day, but you don't even care, because